Gone are the days when people used to come to work with masks on and then you saw the real person back at home or when they were on holiday. These days, people are longing for authentic leadership. They're longing for leaders who are real people, who act with compassion and in compassion. The Authentic Leadership Forum is one part of the way in which we can become real, genuine, authentic leaders, and I thoroughly recommend it. A number of my team at Cotswold Fair have been on the course and are in the process of changing, as am I. So I can thoroughly recommend the course, and do go, if you can, next year in March. Talk to you all again soon. Bye.